Hey, it's Shay back again, and in this video I just want to show you some of the numbers this current online money making campaign I've got running has been able to do in just the last few days. I recently just showed this to my students and they were really psyched up and grateful to see another successful campaign. I always love showing my students exactly how I'm able to make these campaigns, because when I do it, it motivates my students and they go out there and do it themselves as well. And there's nothing better than that for me, to see them take my information, my input and knowledge and go use it for themselves. And you know what? For a short amount of time, for serious people only, I'm willing to do the same for you as well. And I'll go over that more in just a minute. But right now, let me just show you this campaign. This is one of the networks that I've been using to make money online, and I recently showed this exact campaign to my students in much greater detail though than just the results here with the reports. I actually showed them the inner workings, how I'm generating traffic, where it's coming from, how I'm getting the traffic to this network and actually making money. But for now, I just want to show you the reports, the results that it's been doing just recently. So at the moment, it's just defaulted to the current month and up to today. So we're in October right now. So it's just going from the 1st of October to today, the 19th. And you can see in the graph right here, this is the revenue. Okay, some of the days I'm hovering over here. This is the traffic, the visitors. And you might be questioning, well, Shay, that's not a great deal amount of visitors right there. And yes, that would be true. But the next one here really helps. These next two boxes, these graphs right here, makes a small amount of traffic make a decent amount of money. And I'll explain that more right now basically. So I'm getting paid, in short, for clicks. So instead of getting paid for generating a lead or making a full sale, I'm getting paid for just the click. And that click being before the sale or before the lead even, the click to visit the page that then a normal visitor would then either convert as a lead or an actual full sale. If you don't understand anything what I'm saying right now, that's okay. I teach exactly what I'm talking about to my students. But just for now, take it all in and I'll give you the opportunity to get access to what I'm actually doing. So these are the clicks, all right, and this right here is the earnings per click. So as you can see on this day, I'm actually earning $7.47 per click. And this jumps up and down a lot, as you can see. Just depends on the day. Some days it's $4 something, even $3.97. But can go up to $7 and even more. I've had some days in the $9 or even $10 per click plus. But right now, I just wanted to focus in on something really cool just here. So I'm just going to change the date to show the last roughly 4 days or so. So we'll just run that campaign, the report. So this is really cool. So just the last 4 days, as you can see, the graphs are just showing that now. All right. And here you can see the headlines here, the column headlines. So visitors, which is this one, this graph. Clicks, which is this one, this graph. And RPC, revenue per click. Okay, these ones here, which is this graph here that I was talking about, how much I'm earning for a single click. So it's really cool. So as you can see on the 16th, visitors, 133 visitors I sent to my pages, 74 of those clicked. So that's a 55% click-through rate, CTR. And the revenue per click I was earning that day was $7.93. Okay, so for each click I was making that. So you could go to work that out. Obviously, 74 clicks times $7.93 equals this figure right here, $586.49. The next day on the 17th, 202, so a jump in visitors for that day. I sent a little more traffic directly to this campaign. 106 of those clicked. Alright, so that's a 52% click-through rate. Little lower clicks, earnings per click on this day, revenue per click, $6.68. But because I sent more traffic, a little bit more this day, was able to $708.04 made that day. And then on the 18th, alright, 66 visitors, 35 clicks, $6.21 made per click, 217. And today so far, when we're about halfway through the day, 139 visitors, 68 clicks, little higher RPC again, jump back up a bit, $514.52 right there. So it's really cool. Just, in the last 4 days, a bit over $2,000 has been made. And this campaign is really ramping up right now. I'm starting to focus more traffic on it. Even though I have been running it for a fair while, I tend to point traffic to and from campaigns at different times. And this is all normal practice of an online marketer. And as I said earlier, I can show you what I'm doing here, but only if you are serious. If you want to know how to make campaigns like this and earn this kind of money online, and even more, or even if you just want to start making money online, if you haven't been able to break through that barrier and really figure out, how do you make your first dollar online? If you are at that point, that's okay. Let me help you make your first dollar online, as I have already done for so many of my students. So again, if you are serious, I'm willing to help you. But you have to take action. So take action right now. Look for the link at the top of the description of this video. Find the description right now. In the description, I'll have a link right at the top. It'll just be a bit.ly link. It's a really quick link, just a short link, just to get over to my site. So click that link in the description right now, and as soon as you are on my site, the next step is super simple, and I'll actually just go to my site right now as well, just to show you how to get access. So this is my site. This is what you will see after you click the link in the description. Then all you have to do is just enter in your best email address right here on the site in the email field. So enter that in right there, type it out, and then click the Get Instant Access button right here. So do that right now. Then I'm going to send out a welcome email to you. So go check your email address, your inbox, for a welcome email from me. In that email, I'm going to give you a bunch of information on how you can get started right now. You're going to be able to check out exactly how I set up campaigns and drive traffic to sites and offers and make money online. So go do it now. Click the link in the description, enter in your email address, click the access button, and I'll see you on the inside.